Imagine a world utterly devoid of personal computers. A daunting thought, isn't it? Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary voyage through time, tracing the evolution of the PC from its colossal ancestors to the sleek, powerful devices that are now an inseparable part of our lives. This journey not only highlights the remarkable technological strides we've made but also underscores the ingenious human spirit driving innovation. So, buckle up as we decode the fascinating saga of personal computers, unveiling how they've revolutionized our world and reshaped every facet of our daily existence. Our story begins in the mid-20th century, a time when computers were not personal or compact but colossal machines that occupied entire rooms. The ENIAC, unveiled in 1946, stands as a monumental landmark in computing history, a behemoth requiring 1,800 square feet of floor space and a staggering 27 tons in weight. Yet, its capabilities were limited, primarily solving mathematical equations for military applications. Fast forward to the late 1950s, and we witness a transformative shift with the introduction of the transistor, a breakthrough that began shrinking computer size while enhancing their reliability and efficiency. This era set the stage for what was to come, slowly paving the way for computers to exit the realm of government and corporate exclusivity, inching closer to the average person's reach. As the 1970s dawned, a pivotal invention catapulted the computing world into a new era, the microprocessor. This compact, yet powerful chip became the heart of the first true personal computers. The Altair 8800, launched in 1975, and the Apple I, introduced a year later, were not just machines but harbingers of a revolution. They made computing accessible, affordable, and most importantly, personal. These early PCs were rudimentary by today's standards, often sold as kits for enthusiasts to assemble. Yet they ignited the spark of creativity and innovation, laying the groundwork for the booming industry that personal computing was set to become. The 1980s marked a golden era for personal computing, as technology advancements met rising consumer interest. The IBM PC, launched in 1981, and the Apple Macintosh, introduced in 1984, were not just products. They were cultural phenomena that brought the power of computing into homes and offices worldwide. This period also saw the advent of the graphical user interface, a revolutionary concept that made PCs much more user-friendly and interactive. Software giants like Microsoft seized this opportunity, with Windows becoming synonymous with personal computing. The PC was no longer a hobbyist gadget but an essential tool for productivity, education, and entertainment, marking a significant leap towards the digital age. Entering the 1990s, the personal computer began to evolve beyond its traditional confines, thanks to the advent of the Internet. This global network transformed PCs into portals to the world, enabling communication, information exchange, and digital commerce on an unprecedented scale. The era also witnessed the shift towards portable computing, with laptops becoming increasingly popular, powered by advancements in battery technology and the emergence of Wi-Fi, liberating users from the constraints of cables and stationary desks. This period redefined the essence of personal computing, making it more connected, portable, and integral to our daily routines, setting the stage for the next wave of innovation. The 21st century has seen personal computers undergo a metamorphosis, becoming thinner, lighter, yet exponentially more powerful. The introduction of ultrabooks and tablets blurred the lines between mobile phones and computers, offering users unprecedented convenience and versatility. Today, our PCs are not merely tools but gateways to vast cloud-based resources, capable of performing complex tasks from virtually anywhere in the world. This era has also highlighted the significance of sustainable computing, with manufacturers focusing on energy efficiency and environmental impact, reflecting a growing consciousness towards our planet's health alongside technological advancements. As we gaze into the future, the potential for personal computing seems boundless. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing loom on the horizon, promising to usher in a new era of computational power and capability. We stand on the brink of a world where PCs could become even more integrated into our lives, potentially transforming our physical reality with augmented and virtual reality technologies. Yet, as we advance, challenges such as digital privacy, security, and the digital divide demand our attention, reminding us that innovation must be balanced with responsibility. The journey of the personal computer, from room-sized giants to pocket powerhouses, is far from over, and the next chapters promise to be as exciting as those already written. In reflecting on the incredible evolution of personal computers, we're reminded of how far we've come, and yet how much further we can go. The PC has not just evolved, it has revolutionized every aspect of human life, embodying the relentless pursuit of progress. As we close this chapter of our journey, we invite you to share your own experiences with personal computing. How has the evolution of the PC impacted your life? Subscribe to our channel and let's continue to marvel at this remarkable journey together.